friends, this is actually a experimentation. You see, as we are having already the KM, right? We are having the content with us. Fine? Okay. Now they are coming up with a system where, as an on an experimental basis, for 10th mathematics and science only, they have designed this system where a teacher and student will be having an app, right? And everyone will be having their login IDs. And if they are having the facility of net in the home also, then teacher and student can have interaction anytime. Whatever we are learning here or teaching here, learning teaching process is continuing, right? So to support with it. Now here whatever the content is there with our KR, in addition to that, it is through the non-media or experiments or the NCERT and various other sources from wherever the content was there. So that all is now present with this particular new application, right? And if it is, we had a discussion yesterday when they came, if we have it, then we will be having a net facility, right, in the school for those classes that only for 10th at present, we can say only for mathematics and science, and whenever it is operated for security wise also we had a discussion, because whenever a net is there, it should not be misused, right? In such case, the application when it is operated, then the net will be on, but other than this application, no other application or no other net facility will be available in the class or not for the teacher to be using in the school. In the school, the children will not be bringing the mobile or anything else, and they will not be using the app in the school. Let me make it clear. Security wise, that is very clear. Fine? Okay. So now this will be a handy application, right, which can be used by the student and the teacher to have a better understanding of the subject and clarification of the subject with extra facilities in that, right? It may be from Khan Academy, it may be from experiments.com, or it may be from various other sources which have been attached to that, which will be adding on from time to time, right? So that is it. So now as per this, whatever the terminology was there, based on this, if you are having some questions, please come out with those particular questions. Whether it will be useful or not, or if you are having some other doubts concerned with maths and science, learning and teaching process, that also you can add. After you people have a discussion, I am having some other point which I will also be interacting. If you are having something.
Sometimes not working or they are not up to date. We should talk about it. For this reason, I think we have to be very familiar. Because sir is already familiar with it, so he is handling it very efficiently. But
so for any of these things, you see, it is a training which is required first. And the second thing is, as you very rightly pointed out, each one of us who will be part of it has to study it, get involved into it totally, deep rooted into it.
We should get time for it.
Time consumption will be there. For anything to be implemented, right? If I am not understanding that particular thing, then I cannot implement it. It's so simple, right? If I am not understanding, I may be having the Samsung Galaxy Grand, for example, right? I will be only knowing how to put the content, only WhatsApp or only the Facebook or only one or two other things. The other applications, my child may be knowing it, I may be taking help of it. If I get involved into it, then I will be knowing it. It is so simple for any application or any technology to be introduced. If we, every one of us, get involved into it and study it, it may require some time. Overnight the things will not do okay. It will be requiring some time.
So I think we need
Yes.
much time.
We need much time. Yes, that's very right.
We need